end of the class, I'm going to check, okay? Yeah. Open the class project folder and create a new folder by the name admin panel. Create a new folder by the name admin panel. And create the complete setup till the home page in your admin.
इतनी मोहब्बत मुझसे कर जो न कोई, तूने वो काम कर दिया है, जीना हराम कर दिया। ओ इतनी मोहब्बत मुझसे कर जो न कोई, तूने वो काम कर दिया है, जीना हराम कर दिया। और इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर, पहली नजरों में चूर होके दिल तेरे नाम कर दिया है, जीना हराम कर दिया। समझू न जाने कैसे तू मेरा हुआ, मैंने दिल ना लगाया फिर क्यों दिल तेरा हुआ। इश्क खुदा ने बनाया तुझको जहां में मुझे से मिलाया, ऐसा माहौल बनाया मेरी ओर तो चलाया। इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर, पहली नजरों में चूर होके दिल तेरे नाम कर दिया है, जीना हराम कर दिया। इतनी मोहब्बत मुझसे कर जो न कोई, तूने वो काम कर दिया है, जीना हराम कर दिया। ओ
admin panel. To perform the CRUD operation, he will be not be doing the coding part, how to create, how to read, all those things he will be not be knowing. The owner of an application might not know the development part, everything, the backend, whatever the logic we will be writing, those things will not be understand by the admin, the owner of the application. So for them to perform the CRUD operation, the Django is providing them with the admin panel. The complete front-end, back-end logics, everything are present in this admin panel. We will build the model, we will connect it to our admin panel, and then we will create the account. Ranjan, this pattern you need to give admin stash. So in the search bar you need to give admin stash. So you will be able to get the home page, right? After that, change the URL pattern to /admin slash. You will be able to get it. Okay, fine. Now straight to make the model. Available in the admin interface. You must register the model. You must register the model with admin site. What you need to do to make the model available in the admin interface, you need to register the model with the admin site. First of all, let me import my model. As it is present in the models.py file. What I need to do, I need to import the model. So from models, import student model. Okay. After this, I am going to register my model with the admin site. So I have admin.site.register. I have this register function. For this register function, I need to specify for which model needs to be connected to the admin panel, which model needs to be registered with the admin panel. What is my model name? That is student. So I am going to give student model name, which is student. So now what happens? The student model will be available in the admin panel. The student model will be available in the admin panel. It will allow you to add, edit, delete the records directly from your database. From the database, you can perform the CRUD operation in the admin site. Now your student model will be available in the admin site. You can perform the CRUD operations in your admin panel. So now, what is the thing that you need to do is, you will be able to see this interface, the username and the password. But do you have any username and the password for the admin panel? No. You don't have any username or the password for the admin panel. So for that reason, what you need to do, you need to create the account. You need to create the super user. For the admin panel, for logging into the admin panel, you need to create the super user. Create the super user. Super user to work with admin panel. To work with admin panel. So how to create the super user? The command to create the super user is python manage.py create super user. everyone, just 5 minutes, observe the screen. I am going to show you how to create the super user. Observe, later you can also create it. Just observe everyone, there are few things you need to know. The command is python manage.py create super user. Okay, continuous python manage.py create super user. So it is going to tell you to enter the username. You need to remember that this particular username needs to be unique. Only whatever the thing you will be giving, only one user can exist with that particular name. The username is of type unique. It is of unique constraint. So let me give it as admin. If you want, you can enter your mail ID. While entering the mail ID, make sure you are entering a proper mail ID. If else, it is going to throw you errors. If you want, you can enter, or else you can skip it out. Then coming to the password, you can enter the password whatever you want, but whatever you will enter, it will not get reflected on the screen. Due to the security reasons, what they have done, whatever the password you will be entering, it will not get reflected on the screen. So make sure how you are entering the things. Now I am going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have entered the number 1, 2, 3, 4, but it did not get reflected on the screen. Next, once again it is going to ask you password for confirmation. So let me enter once again, but it will not get reflected on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is going to throw you the message that password is too short. It contains at least, it must contain at least 8 characters. It is too common and entirely numeric. So if you want to give a proper password and create the super user, then you can give n and you can give the password properly. Or else you can avoid it. You can bypass the validation by giving yes. If you give y, it is going to bypass the password validation. So at last you should be able to get super user created successfully. And you can create n number of super users. So you can create n number of super users. One more super user I am going to create. If I give the same username, it is going to throw me error. See, the username is already taken. So once again, I cannot create a super user with the name admin. I need to give something else. Let me give user 1. If you want, you can enter the mail ID, then password. Yes, like this you can create the super user. Yes, everyone, quickly create the super user. One minute, everyone. Press button, I guess. You can click on the press button, or else you can go to the students, click on the students. Then you will be able to see add student. So you can click on the add student or this plus button. This plus button. Anything, it's fine. Okay, then I need to enter all these things. Let me enter Indu Mati, roll number 1, email ID indumati@gmail.com, then course, and then you are able to get the drop down menu. In this you can select anything. Then save, or else you can go with save and add another. You can either click on save or else save and add another. So let me click save. So see, one record got created. In this way you can create n number of records, and if you check in your database, the record would be created. Go to base student and check. See, Hindumati 1, Hindumati@gmail.com, Django, gender, and created at the current time it is going to take. Current date and time it is going to take. So here in the database, it is going to store it as F. But in the how the user is able to see, user is able to see female and male. But here it is going to store it as male. So this is how you can go with the drop down also.